Here they are, the aircraft and the missile. It's a B-52 airplane, and the missile has a long name, but I'm gonna show it. I've driven by this airplane hundreds of times, but never actually stopped to take a look at it. So that's what I'm gonna do. This missile is as long as a Cadillac Escalade. Yeah, it's huge. This could be a separate video on its own, I guess. Ha. Missiles look like pineapples. This is in Rome, New York. A lot of birds like that tire. Look at that. Griffiss Air Force Base. Just doing some riding around on my motorcycle and decided to stop and take a look at this thing. Oh, look at that. It's got machine guns in the back. Who would have knew? A lot of birds like those machine guns. If anyone is curious what tire size the B-52 uses, let's see. Does it say the tire size? It's a Goodyear, I know that. But yeah, 56 times 16, I guess. I don't even know what that means, but that's the tire size it has. There we go. It's a 50
56 times 16.
I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, and I'll catch you next time.